Land block like this rarely comes on the market, featuring over 10,000 square meters of absolute flat land parcel with 42 meters of road frontage, 68 meters of rear frontage. You can build your dream home, subdivide the land, or keep or train your horses. Check it out.